How to view someone's Instagram story without seeing or knowing. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick way and easy method to view someone's Instagram story without seeing or knowing. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Play Store or App Store depending on your device and then search for Instagram. Once you open it and search, there must not be any updates. If there is update, then you need to tap on update button and update your app so that you can enjoy the latest features on it. Once done, select the open button right next to it and then log into your account. Once done, you will reach to the section where at the top you will see different kinds of story posted by other people. Suppose if you want to see the story of Lakpa mountaineering, then you have to simply open first of all the previous story to view the other story. So let me show you. Just open it and then simply you need to hold the particular story and then do not release your hold for a few seconds. So once you have done that, you need to slowly swipe towards the right, or let me show you. In this way, and then you need to slowly look forward to that particular chat story. But you should not fully release your hold. If you fully release your hold, then the other person will know that we have viewed the story. As you can see that we have already viewed the story and will slowly come to the previous page again. In this way, let's come back and exit this Instagram story. As you can see that there is still the red sulfur, that means that we haven't yet viewed their story. The other person will think like that, but we already have viewed their Instagram story without being seen or knowing. So that's how we do it. I hope this video worked for you. Thank you for watching and